Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I am going to be showing you how to enable the Xbox Game Bar, also known as Game Bar, for Windows 11. So let's get started. So what you want to do is click the Windows key on your keyboard that is located between the Control key and the Alt key on the left side. This will open up this screen right here, and you have the search bar that says search for app settings and documents. You just click on it and you want to type in game bar. Then you just click on it and it's going to open up the game bar. So that's how you enable the game bar. If you actually go inside of a game, for example, like Megabonk, you'll be able to take a screenshot, record the game, record last 30 seconds, start recording, and turn your microphone on or off while recording. So yeah, that is how to enable the Xbox Game Bar, also known as the Game Bar for Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Peace.